Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I will show how to calculate two number using console application. Number 1 A, number 2 B, integer, result integer R. You need write to this line, write input first number, press enter. Read line A, write input second number, press enter. Read line B, R colon equal A plus B semicolon. Write line first number, symbol, second number, then equal, symbol, and result R. Write line, press enter key to exit. Now compile. Input first number and press enter. Enter. Input second number. (22 plus 33 equal 55. Press enter key to exit. It's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.